Right, we are live, Ahmed. So if you can grab the YouTube link and give me in a trading room thing. Yeah. And anyone who wants to speak or whatever, just shout and I will add you to the stream. Yeah.
I've sent you the link.
Okay. So YouTube link, copy link address. Okay. So let us put it in our trading side as well. Posted that there. Now we need to put it in Telegram. Telegram guys, yeah. Okay, Telegram guys. Okay. Sumaya. On. On. Okay. Where is one? This one. Okay. Yeah, I think we've done. Put it to Prabha. Yes. Okay. Everyone else should have it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We give them the link anyway. That's fine. Okay, Naveen, welcome as well. Welcome, welcome. As you come in, shout, scream, whatever, yeah? But do something. And I'm on my good car business, you know? All right. Okay. Oops, some other people have joined, yeah? Nishant Bhai is here as well. Okay, welcome, Nishant Bhai.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ahmad quickly gave me done the link as well, yeah? When you said, and I clicked live, yeah?
Yeah.
So, yeah, your voice is low, huh?
It's better now?
Much better, Nishant Bhai. Perfect. Now you're sitting next to me. Now you're sitting next to me. Before you were far. Before you were in India. Now you are in UK. Okay. Okay. Saima is here.
Just give me 5 minutes, why I'll be on mute.
Oh, okay. Yeah. As you come, just unmute. No problem. Now without me, na? Okay. Anne is here. Aziz Dugu is here as well. Okay. So we give about maybe 3 or 4 minutes, and then we can start going to the daily levels or whatever. Yeah. One guy. What was his name?
Okay, sir.
Kunal. He had asked, and he might cause an issue. Okay. Give it to him as well. Okay. 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 Yeah. Everyone's got a link. Mind you, if they miss it, then really can't say hard cheese, but really they can look at it as many times on YouTube after anyway. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, I'm all yours. Shall we start?
Yes.
We can start. Yeah. Okay. S&P 500.
Sir, your chart is off.
I was going to say, shout me. My chart is off, so now the chart is here. Yeah, you got the chart. Yeah, is okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, okay.
It's okay now. But make sure that when I do give that, you can see all the levels. Yeah, all the levels.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Otherwise, you might forget. Yeah. Okay. So what do we see here? Before we see anything, I'm just checking in a way that you know how to use the daily levels. What do you do the first thing as soon as you see those levels? Scream, shout,
First,
whatever.
yes, I do a screenshot and mark those level, and between those level, I mark another levels.
Yeah. the middle lines, yeah? So put the middle line straight away, yeah? And then look at the pattern. What is happening? What is happening here? What is happening here? So we can say roughly, yeah? I mean, because the market is not textbook, yeah?
Yes, sir.
We got a wobbly W, yeah? You can
Yes.
think of it as eyes. You can think it as the nose. It is testing the nose. If it breaks the nose, then we look for the MOB area. If it doesn't, then we look here to see if it does a double bottom, okay? So can you
Okay.
see the idea? Huh?
Yes.
If, ideally, you should be long from here anyway, yeah? Because, you got it held it done the V shape, and we are eight S&P handles up. That is on the futures, one contract equals 50. It is $400. It's quite nice. It's not bad. And this is now, but actually you had like 14 to nearly 14.27, so yeah, 23
Yes.
points, 23 points. Yeah, that is quite a lot of money.
Yes, sir.
Mind you, even 10 cents is still money. Yeah, as long as you are happy with it, that's the idea. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now today we have to wait and see. Main action will come when, of course, when the American market opens. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
and keep in mind it's Monday, and Monday can really wrong foot you in that Monday usually has this phenomena that I call as the winner. Yeah. So say like we've been falling in the futures or whatever, and what happens on a Monday is they do what we call it as all this years as the world not ended rally. World did not end at the weekend rally, yeah.
Okay.
So maybe, and what do we know as another thing about S&P? Where did we close on the futures? We closed at 4430, yeah.
Yes.
So plus and minus 3 is very important. You can think of this as gap fill, yeah? The nearest close and gap is above is at 4430. So if you get around here, you can say gap fill, and then does it, I call it as, does it do it as gap and clap means it goes up, or, sorry ladies, does it do gap and crap, yeah? So, that important is important, yeah? Okay. Okay, so I would have told you that is gap and clap or gap and crap, that's it, yeah. Sorry, ladies, sorry. This is what happens when you get 1 hour of sleep, yeah, And while we were there, you will need this as well. If you look at things properly, then you will be better off. See this here? This has got all the numbers, like where is the last gap, what time we were at where we are now. So if you look at this like a matrix, like a DOM, you can see what the numbers are playing, yeah, and the cycle
Yes, sir.
numbers. And of course, underneath I'll put the daily levels as well, yeah.
Yes.
So you got the whole thing. So most people don't even look at it, but believe me, if you start looking at it, might make quite a big difference to you.
Yes, sir. I have tried many times to understand those to relate to your daily levels, but unfortunately, I can't.
Easy. Easy. Ahmed, look, cycle number 4422. Yeah. If it goes up, 4425 becomes your first target. If it drops, you need 4419 to hold. You see? So if this drops here, 4419 is target. If it goes up here, 44225 is target. That is your cycle. Think of it like a pendulum. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yeah.
Okay.
That is how it works. That is how it works. But see, we are at cycle number 4422.
Okay.
And I think at 4:54 a.m. in the not 4:54.
It's like a matrix. Yes.
5:45 a.m. The Globex price I think was 4420.25.
Yes, sir.
Am I right or wrong? Let's see. Old man maybe getting crazy in his old age, Let us see. Where did it go? Okay. Yeah. 5:45 a.m. 4420.25. You see?
You're amazing, sir.
Yeah. So, but just so okay. So we done S&P. What's the Dow doing? And Dow Jones. Okay. These are the levels. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And we know from the numbers 35056 is important. Yes. All
Yes.
you templars should know that number. Yeah. And 949 is important as well. Yeah. And of course we got the 343 as well. Yeah. But
Yes.
343 is well below. Yeah. Same thing is going sideways. MOB is holding. So this action we see later how it translates, but it is weak. It is weaker at the moment. Yeah, it's weak. It's weak because you know how S&P is moving. This one is not moving like that. Yeah.
Yes.
It hasn't got the speed. Yeah.
Yes. From
Okay.
last 2 weeks, it was a very boring market,
So
just ranging.
yeah, same. This one I always call Nasdaq as Nascrap. Yeah. So Nascrap did not make a new high, came down like a rocket, and now we are at LOC. But can you see those ones are making like the Dow was making a tiny one. This one is coming up with quite power. Yeah. And
Yes.
we got the policeman area. So either it does that or it tries up a bit. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, any questions? Okay, boss lady is right. You draw a line. Yes. All you have to do is be little kids with a pencil and a ruler and crayons. That's it. Think we are all in kindergarten. Yeah, I think with my mustache, I don't think I can join kindergarten. Yeah. Okay.
Right. I work and draw all of the stuff on my own hand and pencil and rubber.
That's the best way. That's the best way.
Because when I saw that my laptop screen is not square, it's a rectangular. So
Yeah.
when I'm using geometry, it will not be perfect.
Yeah.
So that's why I have started to draw those lines on my
Good.
own hand with
Best
a
way.
pencil.
Best way, because once you do by hand, that's it. Look here. I'll just show you. Like, say this diary here. I write everything by hand. Every day. Every day. For the last 35 years, I can give you 35 years of work. There. That's how I do things. I can't think otherwise. Okay. So this is Nifty, yeah. Nifty did a gap, down, gap and crap, up again. We are at MOB, done the V shape and VR. And can we see the V shape or not? Yes, perfect V shape, perfect V. Yeah? So now we see, does it try and track up or does it do a channel? Yeah? Does it do a channel? Huh? Does it do a channel? Okay. Well, please, guys, I hope I'm not rushing it. Yeah? Ask. Prabhasan, welcome as well. Welcome. Shout, anybody, yeah? You can even sing a song if you want, I don't mind. Haha, look at Daxi, yeah? We can say Globex gap. And look at the strength it came up with. Above MOB and now it's coming down, yeah? Just like a squeeze like anything. So, and also, remember, I pointed out to all the Templars before we started this. Before, this is where the FTSE opened, yeah?
Yes,
this is where FTSE opened at 8 o'clock, yeah? 8 o'clock in the morning. Before that, we were going down, yeah? S&P was going down as well. We can say Dow was going down as well. They were all going down, and you always find usually when the FTSE opens, they do a spike up, they do a role reversal, and FTSE hardly moves itself, yeah? And then after that, these ones try to come down a bit, and then FTSE goes up, yeah? Or the other way around. So you can use that as a very quick trade as well every morning. I mean, Nishant Pai knows because this is how I do it. I say, okay, role reversal, waiting for FTSE to open. I've taken the trade already. This is the basis of screen watching, yeah? It's nothing to do with technical analysis. This is just screen watching. How they're behaving, yeah? How they're behaving. Okay, so you need all the levels, yeah? You need all
Those similar move happen in the US Open, the Wall Street Open.
Huh.
Most of the time they reverse the market in other way.
Yeah, because they need to, traders by nature, any kind of a trader, a businessman, a trader, a shopkeeper, whatever, he might have as much money as he has, but when he goes to the market, he wants to buy something, he will say, how much are tomatoes? And you say this price. And you say, or how much are the shoes? And you say, okay, give me a discount and then I will buy it. You don't want to pay the fixed price that is written on the label, yeah? So same thing in the market. It opens here and just come in and say, no, I'm not going to buy here. Give me a discount and then I will buy. You see, give me a discount and then I will buy. You see, that idea, yeah? So we as traders, that's why they say, buy low, sell high, that kind of idea. But idea is as a trader, you negotiate, try to get the best price you can, yeah? Best price.
Yes, sir.
Best discount you can get. Doesn't have to give you a discount, but you look for a discount, yeah?
Yes, sir.
CAC, nobody looks at, yeah? We were looking at FTSE and I skipped it, yeah? See? FTSE, they were all down, FTSE opened and little spike and then it's coming down, yeah? And now the other ones are following FTSE, yeah? But when it opened and it was doing this hardly moving here, hardly moving, those DAX you seem like it was up here somewhere, yeah? In the sky. in the sky, And just prior open at 8 o'clock morning, they were all falling, yeah? Okay, oil, we've already discussed oil. That oil is a short and we're looking for 64, 63 area, yeah? And we were looking that from 72 and 70 area and everything, yeah? We've done that. So now we have to wait because it's still trickling down. And keep in mind, around between 14th and 16th, you get the oil expiry, yeah? So they will play games on Wednesday and next Wednesday.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Brent, similar thing, same oil trickling down, yeah? And
yes.
Yeah, so any questions, guys? Please shout away. Please shout away, yeah? Please shout away. Okay, and Ahmad and all of you, keep an eye in the comments and private section. If anyone asks, then just shout me, yeah, in case I forget.
Yes, sir. Aziz asked for which tool do you use to draw those MOB LOC levels?
Who is asking that?
Aziz,
if I tell you Nipiga Rasasi Kichwa Yako, means if you ask me, I shoot you with a gun in your head, blow you. This is 35 years of work. Think of it like a cup of tea. Enjoy it, yeah? This knowledge is not for sale. Not at any price in the world, yeah? But where you are in Discord and whatever, if you work hard, you will get it, okay? You will get it, but you have to work for it. Not going to spoon feed it to you, yeah? If you are looking for a holy grail, you are in the wrong place. If you are ready to sweat and tears, you are in the right place, yeah? But use it.
Gold is going to 360.
That's why remember last night when I just went to bed for 1 hour sleep. Remember I told you guys, draw the line, draw the cog and draw the sub-cogs, yeah? And look where we are.
It was maybe 720 movement, 720 peep.
Because say we take 1764 to 1677, let's just say we went down 100 points, yeah?
Yes.
And from there we have already collected about 85 points already. But can you see? Cog, hit the cog, never touch the cog. We are in the middle of the cog here, and we're going. So does this where all this action started for? Do they want to visit it? You see?
Yes, sir.
That's the idea. And the other thing also, remember, like all of you people or whoever has come into the sessions that I do or whatever, remember I say stages of a market or a state of a market. Is it a normal market, expanded market, or a contracted market? Yeah?
Yes.
So this was an expanded market. I mean, and we dropped, we can say expanded, you can either expand up or down. We expanded down, say $100, yeah? Drop. Okay. So now the question I would ask anyone, why was I taking longs last night? You know, like I even posted the screenshot because I was hit run longs, yeah? Now, why was I doing that? Because we were putting in action, we know what a normal market is, we know what a contra, we are in an expanded market. It dropped $100, quite significant. 100 is also a round number, yeah, if you think of it.
Yes.
Now, when was the last time you seen, for example, gold drop $150 or $200 in one go, like that? Hardly ever. So even if it stretches 10, 20 points, that's your risk, yeah?
Yes.
And then it is law of average. It will come back to at least the cog, yeah?
Yes.
So there is no way, like unless you are the worst kind of cancer phobo, you would be selling here. Agreed?
Agreed.
You'll be daft, yeah? The same principle. Look, click here, and they all scream it is going down to zero, and they sell it. And what does it do? It washes them out.
Yes.
Huh? See? So just by knowing the state of the market without any technical analysis, you say, yeah, this thing can move 100 points, 120 points, it's dropped 120, it will try to retrace at least 25 or 50 of it, yeah? But this has retraced like 75% of it at least, if not, 80% of it, yeah? So that is why we were taking the longs. That's why I took the longs.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So everyone understands that, yeah? Makes sense? So you need to know the state of a market. What is the animal doing today? What is the animal doing today? Is he behaving or is he going to bite me? Yeah, that idea, yeah?
Yes.
But this, I think Reza even did the subcogs, yeah? And he posted a chart, yeah? But this was the idea. And you see, look, I done the line and, this was at 1 o'clock. Remember, I said I'm going to have my dinner and then shower and sleep. And then 3 o'clock, I was up again, yeah? Okay, so we were here. Okay, so you got all the levels. And remember, we said until it does a V shape, you're not going to do anything. Did we get a V shape? Perfect V. Perfect V. Yeah, perfect V, no? Perfect V. Any comments, anybody or anything, asking anything? Okay, Walaikum salam Adam, Walaikum salam Adam, Walaikum salam Adam, okay? Yeah, okay. Right, okay, back to here. One more thing I just remembered, yeah? Banners, yeah? Banners, coffee we are still short. Okay. This trade here we took on Friday. Agreed, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Huh? I closed mine at 4411, okay? But I told all you guys here in live stream, while we were talking, we had about 1.5, 2 points, but I said the magic number is 3. If you get 3 points and you should bank it or whatever you're happy with, bank it. But even if you didn't bank it at that time, today it should have closed with 3, 5, 7 points, whatever that you got, yeah? So this trade, we can say, we took a bit of heat. Those, if they didn't close it, I personally said I want to hold it. And I still have one position which I'm holding for 4377 area. Remember? But that's a swingish play, yeah? But this trade is done and dusted, yeah? Done and dusted.
Yes, sir.
So we can basically say, how do we do this thing here? Ooh, where are we? Okay, so we can delete that. Okay, and remember, not today, but soon ES has a date with 4377, 4370. I'm holding that other trade for that, yeah? So that one is still running in a way, okay? Coffee is still running. Coffee is still running, as you know. Coffee is running. And coffee is basically giving us nearly $20 from 19250, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So if you are happy with that mini swing, you could have banked it or locked it or leave it run. I'm going to run it. I'm going to take as much pace as I can. Like I said, I will hold it even for months, yeah? Because my target is much, much lower. And it might give me a lot of headaches. But
sir, Reza brother is asking for gold.
Yeah, we're coming to it. This is gold. We just done gold.
Yes,
We
sir,
just
we
done
should
gold,
wait,
didn't we?
for the F1.
Now should wait to see action and reaction. Yeah, we are at F1. So now we know that where did this rubbish start from around here, yeah? So of course, when it gets here, and if you are long, and if you have done the cog and you done the sub cog, yeah, so you are here. So if you were long, then you should be looking to lock in something, and when you get here, you need to watch in case it does that, or you might even do like that and then come up, yeah. So
Yes, sir.
so when you get here, because this was like, you can say breach, and it was quite dramatic, yeah. So does the memory kick back in? You need to see that, yeah. So that is a good point, yeah. Good point, yeah. And always remember, if you miss a good trade, is fine. Is better. Missing a good trade is better than jumping into one as FOMO or without planning, yeah. Without planning, yeah. Better to miss a good trade than jump in one without a plan, yeah. Without a plan. Okay, so Goldie done. Silver will be similar situation, and we got the down, same thing. Silver, look at it. We would hit 22 area, and we're back at 24 6 times 4, yeah. So same thing again, need to watch the F1, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Huh? And remember, we also said that if it is a down, or we can say, don't like to use the word, but if it's bearish or whatever, in a bearish cycle even, you will get mad, crazy contra moves to the up, yeah, killer moves,
Yes.
and then down again, yeah. It's just like
Yes.
somebody, like a shark or whatever is dying, but it's not going to go quiet. It's going to go screaming, yeah. So that's
Yes,
what
sir.
happens, yeah. That's what happens. And one thing, when markets get like that, first thing you should do is cut the number of positions and cut the number of your size. Say, for example,
Okay.
if say you are trading one, then you should cut your trades into 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, yeah?
Yes, sir.
1/3, yeah? Going to third straight away. Or if you're taking 3 trades, take one trade. Take one trade. Okay, AUD USD. We were at F2 zone. Now we are here in between. And again, let's wait. Main action today will be when the Americans wake up, huh? When the Americans wake up.
Yes, sir.
Euro USD, as I had posted in Discord, I'm a little bit long, yeah? A little scalper long kind of thing, and it is working, yeah? So
Sir,
we need
I'm
need
also
to-
long from the F1 zone.
fine.
It's locked profit. It's running now.
And also, remember, this number looks like what? Don't look at the 1 and 1. Look at this 785 business. Reminds you of Bismillah Rahman Rahim or not?
Correct, sir. Correct.
And this one here reminds you of one bob, 1808, one bob, one bob. You see, one bob. Okay. Our USD CHF will be opposite. That if you buy the euro, for example, then you should be looking to sell the USD CHF. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone? Any questions or anything? Nothing yet. Okay. Geo is somebody new. Welcome, Geo. Geo Hazaro Sal. Nice song by Muhammad Rafi. Yeah? In fact, the Muhammad Rafi's death anniversary was, I think, a few days ago. Huh?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So, where are you from, Geo?
I was actually in the group a while ago. I'm from Germany, from Namibia.
Okay, nice. Welcome. Welcome. Dankeschön.
Thank you very much.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen, yeah.
Why it gets dir, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Bitte schön.
Dankeschön.
Okay. Right. Okay. So Kiwi, same as Australian. Yeah, we are at LOC. You come down and we see. Yeah. Now, when we're getting rotations in currencies, yeah, and sorry, in indexes, next thing you will see, it will translate the same kind of stupid, like a currency war in the currencies. Yeah. And one question I will ask you, I'll tell you. I know this is like a, this is not a teaching session. Yeah. Not that I'm any good teacher, by the way. Yeah, I'm the most rubbish teacher in the world. Yeah, but this is not teaching. We are trading the market. Yeah, and if something lines up, we will hit the button to buy or sell something live. Yeah, but so far,
Yes, sir.
nothing juicy as yet. Nothing juicy as yet. But what I wanted to say was, what is the difference between an index trader and a currency trader? You see, I mean, think about this. Say you have like Apple, and all the FANG stocks and NASCRAPs and our SPX and whatever. And say we have Tesla, yeah, we have Tesla. Okay, we pick on Tesla, and if Tesla is going up like that, is that good for the company or not? Or an index? Is that good for the company?
Yes, obviously, sir, good for company.
Because it's good for the company, because the price of the share is going up. It's brilliant. All the directors, the CEOs, the people, the shareholders, they're all happy. Yeah, they're all smiling. True. So now, if you translate the same thing into forex, yeah, say we take USD CAD, for example, or whatever, yeah, or Euro USD, yeah, let's take Euro USD, yeah. So now, if Euro USD is going up like that, is it good for the currency? Is it good for Euro or whatever? Yes, for Euro it's good, it's going up. For USD it is bad, because the US dollar is dropping, right? So now it comes to a point in the euro when it's going up that it's to affect a lot of things in the background, like the economy. Because this euro is getting more expensive, they can importing cheaper, but the exports of the country start to die. Nobody can afford to buy a BMW or a Ferrari. True. I mean, by the way, I still can't afford to buy a Ferrari. Yeah, so so I'm out of the game anyway. Yeah, and the US dollar is falling down. Do you honestly think that the banks or the government or the Fed or everybody in America is going to say, we don't care, let the dollar go to zero? Impossible. They're going to fight it after a while, aren't we?
Yes.
So you see, in a share, it can keep on going up and everyone is happy. But in currencies, it goes up is worse than climbing a wall of worry, because sooner or later, the banks or whatever, the government will do an intervention.
Yes.
Yeah. If you look at history a while back, it is called the USD-CHF. Yeah. In the trade, they call it the Swiss bank robbery. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
They call it the Swiss bank robbery. Yeah. And what they did is, it was going up, and it's a reach. And what they said is, they're going to peg it to instead of just the US dollar, they're going to peg it to the euro as a manipulation. No announcement, nothing. And it went down like thousands and thousands of points. Yeah.
Yes, sir. There was a scam. Euro Switch Bank, there was an announcement. They told that Euro Switch will not go to 1.26.
Yeah.
After that, the buying ratio was 1:80.
Yeah.
So they crashed the market and everyone was out.
In fact, you had so many brokers, like I think it's called, they were in London, FXCM, I remember the name. There was some other, quite a few brokers as well went bankrupt, huh?
Yes.
They went bankrupt. So this is called the Great Swiss Robbery, yeah? So
yes, sir. It was Euro Swiss Bank.
That's why I'm saying they pegged it to euro and they did the manipulation. Nobody knew they were going to make an announcement that day. They had done it secretly and then they announced it and they killed everything off. Otherwise, if the brokers know that, ready already, to make money, but they kill the brokers off as well. So the difference between trading an index or a stock and you trading a Euro USD, that is the difference between the two things. Yeah, I know it's not a teaching session, but just to give you a quick idea as to what is the difference between an index and how an index behaves and keeps going up, or a share behaves and goes up. And if Euro USD or currency is going up, then alarm bells should start to hit. Or if it goes so low, then alarm bells should hit again. Yeah, that no, they are going to do an intervention somewhere. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, anyone, any questions or anything or whatever? No. Okay. Right. So, Kiwi, what about Mr. Cable? Mr. Cable, just there, done a small digestion, pop up to LOCs down. So we need to wait, but you can look at pound as pound, euro. You can look as, even though we've taken longs in euro, but that is contra trade in a way, in my opinion, kind of thing. A scalp, and you can, as long as you stay nimble, you can make money both ways. But in the pound, I would suggest look for a rally to sell. Yeah, rally to sell. Don't become a buyer as yet.
Okay.
Oh, what is the number in euro pound? Okay, 86, not 1.3786. If it gets to 1.3786, have a look and see what happens. We want to see, is the pound Muslim as well, Mohammed? I'm only joking. I'm not joking. I'm only joking. Listen, guys, I'm going to get arrested by the FBI for being a fundamentalist. Now. I don't use fundamentals in markets. Don't arrest me, please. Don't take me. I am not a fundamentalist. I just shoot anyone in the market. I'm not a fundamentalist. Okay, Euro JP, yeah. It's basing, needs to base sideways, and then we look to see if it goes up. Okay.
Okay.
GBPN. We need this area held. We need it to hold. If it doesn't, comes to F1 area, and we need to keep in mind the F2 and then go up. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And listen, if I'm speaking very loudly, it's just I get too excited. I need to take my tablets. I need to calm down.
Can you hear noise behind me?
Hey?
How much is noise?
Sorry?
Deep noise. Can you hear noise behind me?
No.
Sure.
Just very little, like a car passing, and you hear like what you call like a beep, or something. A car passing does its horn or something. Yeah. I just heard a little bit of that noise. Otherwise, no noise. Yeah. Otherwise, nothing. Yeah. Okay. So USD JP is a flag and going like that. So we need to see this 110 to hold. Yeah.
Okay.
And obviously, you need to look also the difference between the numbers. Yeah. So 110, 14, 109, 94. You're looking for 20 pips. Yeah. Is it worth the headache for 20 pips? No. Leave it. It's too slow. It's too slow. We need somebody with, firepower. You see, like I said, this guy is moving. And we can get something from him. Yeah, we need a
the similar pattern Nishant Bhai yesterday showed us. The similar pattern that is lower low and higher low, and where we need higher up and correction. Then we can enter it.
And also, you need, like I said, the speed element of things. Yeah, and keep one thing in mind: if the market is slow or not moving, you are not going to make money. Full stop. You're going to make a scratch or a loss, and doesn't matter. They say to you, we'll give you 1 to 10 million bloody leverage or whatever. If the market doesn't move, if there is no movement, there is no money. Finished. Simple as that. Simple as that.
True, sir. True,
Simple as that. You can say, oh, I'll do 10 lots. You're going to lose bloody 10 lots. You're not going to make nothing. If it doesn't move, and you can't cover your spread or whatever. If it's just covering your spread in the move, you're just going to get a scratch, no?
Yes,
Just
sir.
going to get a scratch, as a little positive, little less, so you keep on increasing. Oh, one lot is on, I'm only getting $10. Okay, let me make it 5 lots. 5 lots, I'll make it I'll make $50. Then you're becoming crazy. You're becoming crazy stuff. Yeah, becoming crazy.
Yes.
Stuff. Better to say, I'll go and buy a coffee, and I'll go and drink it. I don't want to give it to my broker. If you want to make anybody rich, send me the money. Yeah. I'm only joking. I'll spend it. I'll
Before
spend
you
it.
send me,
Oh, of course, Nishant bhai. Nishant bhai.
Nishant Bhai is here.
Nishant bhai. I've got the best solution for how we are going to split the money.
yeah,
me
yeah,
and
yeah.
you. I've got the best money to split the money. The profit sharing, me and you, right?
Right,
What
right.
I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you a little joke, na?
Uh,
So this man, because everyone can't speak Hindi, na, or whatever,
Yeah.
na. So this man, this Molana, we can say, a priest goes to somebody
right.
like me, and he goes to me, "Oh, do you give money to charity? Do you give zakat?"
uh,
So I say, "I don't have to tell you that." He said, "No,
Yeah.
you must tell me. You
Uh,
must give to zakat." I say, "Yes, I give to zakat." So he says, how much do you give? I said, "Look, I give all my money to charity."
yeah.
He said, "What do you mean? All your money?" I said, "Yes. What I do is I get all my money and I say, God, I'm giving you this to you for charity or your share. I throw it in the air.
Yeah. Whoever takes it.
Whatever he keeps is his. Up. Whatever falls down is mine."
Yeah.
So Nishan bhai, are you ready for profit sharing?
Yeah. I'll be on the ceiling by then, fine.
Okay, ठीक है. Put a net. Put a net. Put a net. Put a net. Put a magnet. Put a magnet. Okay, let's see what the Looney is doing. Yeah. Looney, we know, is in a flag. It's in this range now. Yeah, we can see it's perfect range near enough. Yeah, so you guys know how to trade a range as well. We got all this is lateral, what you call horizontal support resistance. Yeah, so we can think of it as resistance. We can think as support, and of course, you don't look at it as one line. You think of it as a band. Yeah, think of it as a band, and if you are aggressive, didn't break it here, so you need to wait. If it comes here, then only take at the extremes, yeah, and use that as your pivot. And you can even draw that line ahead that if it does a breakout up, maybe if it's shallow, this average line needs to get tested, or it does that or whatever. No? So,
Yeah.
but this
All
in the
levels
long,
fine.
the Looney in the long run, yeah. Nishant, I'm totally with you. It's a swing long, huh?
Yeah, it is. It will go break the high.
It's a swing long, okay. And when the reason they call it Looney is not only because of the bird on their coin. It is a Looney because when it starts to trend, this idiot, it keeps on going on and on for years.
Correct.
It
But they
doesn't.
want, someone is asking for all levels in this.
Yeah. I do that. Nah, it's just I wanted to
Yeah.
see this. Nah, yeah. But yeah, thanks for reminding, because then you get it, because when we were like this, nah, it looks better, nah. And
Correct,
this
correct.
looks a bit, okay. And if we just quickly look as well, see that, look, when it goes down, this bugger just doesn't stop, and then when it turns the other way around, I don't, because MT4 doesn't do the. You see, look, down, up, then down, see, up, keeps on going for years. Like, look,
Correct.
3 odd years here, from here to here, 2000, nearly 4 years down or 5 years down, Nishant bhai, 7 years down.
Yeah.
So when the Looney acts, if you catch it like a swing long, for example, then you can set it and forget it. You don't need to tinker with it. No?
Right, bhai. Yeah.
You might have to take a bit of pain or whatever. And then the weakest link in all this is us, the idiots, because we mess around with the trade,
Right.
We don't let it breathe or do its job. No?
Yeah.
It's just like you plant a mango tree.
Right.
And it is going to take 5 years to fruit, yeah?
Correct.
You can't expect the mango tree to start giving you mangoes every 3 months, now.
Right.
So that's what you are trying to do. That you think of the USD card as the mango and say 5 years it might even take. That is when it will be fruitful. Yeah. So
Right.
you must know your instrument. I'm not saying you have to wait 5 years, but you must give it a decent time. That this is how it acts. This is how it acts. No.
Correct.
Okay. AUD is somebody had asked. We are at F2. If it breaks the F2, things can get ugly. Then you need to wait, and then you wait and see what it does. Yeah. I think Kunal had asked it, or was it Kunal? I don't know. Somebody had asked for AUD Jeffy. Yeah. They asked me for 2 levels, AUD Jeffy and something. Euro NZD, or maybe Boss Lady, maybe.
Boss lady is USD CAD.
USD card and cable. USD card and cable. Nishant bhai, you know all the people who are coming here, yeah? We know
Yeah.
them by name. We know them by what they trade, you know? So if
Correct.
it
Exactly.
says, I am looking at this, and if it's odd, we say, no, it's not you. It's
Yeah.
somebody else here. You know, you given the ID to somebody else. You are a faker, you know, you're a faker. You're a
Yeah.
faker. We want to see your passport, you know. Show me your passport. You know, this is Nishant bhai, you won't believe. This is what I get on Telegram. Where are
Okay.
you located? I say I'm in UK. But no, I don't believe you. I said, told you I'm in UK. I'm 300 miles from London. No, but I have a doubt. So you know what I do? Well, because we are here, I just take a screenshot and say, by the way, do you want to see this? This is a passport. This is a British one. Okay, thank you. Now, are you working for the Indian immigration or the British immigration? You know,
Right.
but it's not their fault, because you know a lot of people come and they've got ladies' pictures and English ones and whatever, and the guy has never been out of we can say like Africa or India or whatever. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, so it is not their fault as well. They're trying to basically do their hard work, due diligence to say that, am I talking to, am I getting involved with the right person? You know,
Yeah.
which is fair enough. That's why I don't get angry. I just say, look, here's my passport. Have a look at it. That's it. You know, now you know my name. Now you know where I am.
Correct.
But now you get that. Like I told you, I had this guy who came as who is the actor in that Top Gun movie? What's his name?
This guy, yeah.
Oh,
Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise. Yeah, this guy
Uh,
came. I want to do account management. When I looked at his name, this was last year sometime, Tom Cruise. I said, my God, you are the best actor in the world and you want to manage my account? Wow. And guess what? He's sitting in Pakistan. So I don't blame people asking, I don't believe you, you know, because I don't believe as well. Because okay, Euro NZD is trying to make like a cup of tea, yeah, half a cup here, full cup at the top, and now we know that here that is where the policeman action happened. So we need to wait and see, yeah. But LOC held. Anyone? And okay, yeah, Nishant, by keep an eye on the Amazon questions and things and whatever, yeah. Okay, how many from here came yesterday in Nishant Bhai and Tijan session yesterday we did? How many from here came there? Whoops, somebody answer me this thing. Okay, boss lady was there, okay. Okay, okay, so basically not picking on any one in person, but I'm picking on everyone in person, basically, yeah. Okay, yeah, I understand. I know, Reza, I know, yeah. So listen, guys, there was about basically 30 people in the room yesterday, yeah. Nishant Bhai, yeah. Hello, Nishant Bhai, what? Always mute. Add to stream, Nishant Bhai. Oops, what happened? Nishant Bhai went off or whatever. Okay, I'll put Nishant Bhai on, yeah. Yeah, everybody is okay here, can hear?
Yeah. I got disconnected by.
Okay. So Nishant Bhai, yesterday there was about 30 people, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm going to say is, like I said, I'm not picking on any one person in particular, but I'm picking on all persons in particular. Yeah, you know who you are.
Yes, sir.
Listen. So basically, what I'm saying is, look, pardon my language, but it is needed. I was absolutely pissed off. Yeah, meaning in that 30 people came, and Nishant Bhai spent all his weekend, his time, effort, everything. Same with Tijan on the spot job, whatever. And out of that, only 6 people had the decency of sending a feedback. So what were the rest of the 26 buggers doing there? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If you can't write one paragraph, either good, bad, or ugly, or whatever, honest one, what you thought, then you don't need to be effing there. Because if you think that you are so valuable, so are we. And it really, if you didn't send it to me, okay, it bugs me. But when you don't send it to, like Nishant and Jack Pai and Attila and everyone, and at least send an appreciation or a little detail, or I would like this, that, or whatever. We give you everything free. How much would it cost you to get all this? Or say Nishant Mai's 2 hours or Tijan's 2 hours, yeah? And you can't write a line, and yet when you are stuck and your balls are on fire, we are the ones who put bloody ice cubes on it for you to try and get you out, yeah?
Yes.
I think next time we should just get a knife and chop them off,
Yes.
So I was quite pissed off. I'm so basically giving you guys a forewarning. The ones who are there. If you don't, I'm keeping an eye, and I've got like eidetic memory and know exactly who you are. If I don't get a comment, and also on YouTube comment after we finish, you are fucking history.
True, sir.
Absolutely. Fucking history. Because there's quite a lot. I don't care about the number of people in the room. If that was our goal, we would be marketing it on Fuckbook and Fastbook and everywhere under the sun, and we would have thousands of people. We want to keep it small and quality and try and give you as much as we can and hope you value it. But if you stay silent and can't be bothered to write, and yet you want everything, then you don't deserve it. Sorry, Nishant, my language, but it was deserved, yeah? It was deserved, It was deserved, Sorry about that, guys. And of course, I'm not picking on the ones who always as patriots, the regulars, every time they do send a thing and they ask for things as well. That's what we want. We want 2-way traffic, not one way, yeah? Not one way.
Yes.
Not one way. It's not a one-way street. If you are looking for a one-way, then it's going to be either our way or the highway.
Yeah.
Our way or the highway, yeah? That's it. Okay, guys, sorry about my rant over, yeah? and the language, but sometimes you need to use the appropriate language for people to understand, Sorry. Sorry, guys, yeah? Okay, AUD and ZD, again, we are going sideways. So we have to wait until whichever party is the liar and they make a move. Huh? And you know about the liars and everything. We've done that. Yeah, we've done that. Yeah, we've done it so many times, like, the men running and everybody and digestion and all this stuff. Yeah. GBP and ZD pop up, down, now. Now here, what happens is, like I said, look, these guys are down, yeah? So this was the seller, yeah? So what happens is most people will see, oh, it's up. Yes, and I got a pullback. Yes, I'm good. And it's coming up. I can draw my trend line. Wow, they made these trend lines for me only, yeah? And it's going to go up. And what happens is, I'm not saying it's going to happen. You need to look at a reference point. What can happen is, they were coming down like crazy. We got a pullback. Forget this drawing like that or whatever I've done, yeah? These guys are thinking, you guys are thinking trend and buy. The big boys were selling, for example, and you don't look at a reference point, you are going in a buy. Will that buy work? Chances are it will not work, because in the seller side, they are looking at the pullback and say, yeah, give me a better price up. I've got better guys to sell into. There is buyers coming in. We can start loading our sales, and then it comes and does this for you. Yeah, does this for you.
Yes.
So
Yes,
if
sir.
you take this one and you think of it, if you think, always say to you, don't think of trend first. Think of it first like a channel. That if you are going to put your stop here, this was my low here, I have to put my stop here, you're going to get killed. Yeah. But if you think of it as a channel, then you may survive and then they go up. You understand?
Understand, sir.
Huh? But you understand the logic because these guys were coming down, they were strong. These guys have come up. So the people reading the technical analysis books is higher high, higher lows. Yes, it is changing. I am good for my buys. I can put my stop here. Well, you're dead, going to be dead. Because if you look at the reference points, yeah, and the big guys who came here, they've got it. They've given a pullback because they need for every buyer you need a seller. So the seller need these buyers to come in so they can sell into it and get the money back in. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So
This is where most people lose the money by.
because all they see is this area is forgotten.
Yeah, exactly.
This area, they don't look. All they see is there is no movement.
Yeah.
And it does this and they activate.
Correct.
That is where the eyes, like bulge out. Go, wow, it's moving.
Yeah,
Let me go for it. I'm going to go for my retirement trade. Yeah. And then it does go, go nuts.
Yeah.
So that's just think like these guys are strong. They done it. They give a digestion. They come up here again, and you are thinking of trend and all this thing. But these guys are saying, "Yeah, give me the price. I want to get back in.
Yeah.
I didn't sell. I only sold times 10 here. Now it comes here. I want to put a bloody 100 cells in. Yeah." So just think of what humans are doing. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
No, what they do is they see it on say 15-minute or 5-minute as a higher low, as you said. The big guys will be seeing it on 4 hours as a lower high.
So that's why we always say, Nishant Bhai Kenna, if you are trading 30 minutes, look at the universe above.
Yeah.
Look at the universe above and quickly look at the universe below.
Right.
So if they're all lining up, then you can say, something is happening. But
yeah,
you have the bigger time frame, or the bigger guys, as we call them, they have the authority over all the other ones. Yeah.
Right.
The bosses have the authority over the little guys. Yeah. Definitely. Yeah. But just little things that it would have worked. The broker hit my thing, and they're busting my balls and all this. Yeah, your balls are being busted because you're putting them on the wrong bloody track. You're going to get crushed. They are going to get squeezed. Full stop.
No, of all the people in the world, the broker has only targeted you.
Exactly, because we're famous. We're famous.
Yeah.
We're famous. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Famous. Joanna, welcome as well. Joanna is in UK in Hatfield, yeah? Okay, AUD CAD, nice move, yeah? Near enough touch the MOB, didn't break the MOB, so we say below the MOB is bearish, F2. Now we need to watch here to make the V shape, and then we can do something, yeah? But you don't really want to stand in front of what you call a freight train, yeah? Yeah, a freight train, a train coming and you're trying to pick little sweets and lorries in front of the rail track, you're going to get run over. You're going to get run over. AUDCH. Is Kunal here, by the way?
I don't think so.
Yeah, because this Kunal guy is in London as well, and he was asking from Prabha's channel a big, massive list, So I said that, please come in the live stream, and I even sent it to him personally. They come in the live stream, and you will have all of them, yeah? Because what is the point of doing 10 extra levels of daily levels and paste them there when we are going to do the whole bloody lot here? Nishant, yeah?
Yeah.
It is the object, ne? Otherwise, I'll be back to my square one, posting 60 levels every morning.
Yeah.
So Nishan by nobody. If they want personally me to post it to them and take it to their house, courier, no problem. We'll charge them for it.
Yeah.
Charge them for it. Now, 20, 20, 20 pounds per digit, yeah? Like a meter. Like a meter, huh? 20, like a taxi meter, taxi meter. Okay. ADCHF, CMF, similar situation. We need to wait, huh? We need to wait. CAD Jappy touched F1 and straight to LOC. So we need and see comes to F1, brakes or not, or tries the MOB, yeah? But we know there's a policeman here, yeah? But I trade CAD CHF sometimes, yeah? But I don't think many people do trade it, including myself. Only rarely when I see something, when I'm looking through the charts now, and if I see something, then we go for it, yeah?
Usually,
Yes, sir.
CAD and oil are related by.
Ha. Everyone says, like, oh, USD CAD and gold is related. Yes, they're all related. CAD and gold, yes, maybe not so much, little bit of.
Right.
But oil, definitely, yeah? Because you have in America the storage is Oklahoma and Cushing, and
Correct.
Cushing is, I think, in Canada area, Nishan Bhai.
Yeah.
So that is where oil is from, na? Oil has more affinity with the loonies, the Canadians.
Right.
And also in the past, even though the Americans had annexed it, Alaska actually belonged to the Canadians, huh?
Right.
And then what happened is, I think it was, well, I suppose at that time it was a lot of money, but some stupid figure like, I think $2 million, the Americans sold it to the Russians, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, if you look at history, something
Yeah, correct.
silly amount of money that you think $2 million, and they sold bloody, all of bloody Alaska, or nearly three-quarters of to Russians. And then what happened? They found the oil and gold there, Nishad Bhai.
Yeah.
So then they started. Oh, we got your fog alarm. Somebody's blowing his horn, huh? Okay. CAD, CHF, same situation. You can look for a little cell, yeah? You can look for a little cell, but you need to put your line in the middle, huh? And try it. GBP AUD. MOB held. We know this area is the cup and handle, and C1, and this middle area mainly. Your eyes should only wake up if it gets up here, then you can do something, yeah? Till then, you need to wait. And here as well, you can draw a line a little bit. And MOB had held. So now, it's just a waiting game. This is just a waiting game, yeah? But ideally, if it gets here, you wake up a bit. And if it gets here, then you should be on full alert that if it doesn't, then you got like your double top situation and down, yeah? Okay?
Okay.
And if this was Nishant Bhai, I'm rubbish at drawing, but he would have a line going like this, Yeah, so there is pitchfork in there as well, yeah? So you have a rough idea, yeah? Okay. So Coco, what are we doing? Coco, okay, Coco is going up, okay. Coco Chanel, okay. But no one trades this, but these are not for weak hands, huh? If your heart or your account can't hold it, you just for fun drink cocoa. Don't buy or sell cocoa in the market, yeah? Aha. GBP card, nice move as well. Near the C1 and straight to F1, huh? So you need to wait and see a little bit. And if we draw this one here, our rough idea, not looking at each and everything under the sun in it, but if we just say that this is our range, yeah? X marks the sport, this is our thing. How much of a pop did it do? If it didn't make a pop enough after going dung for how long? Like 6 to the 9, 3 days, yeah? And it can't do like 1, even 2 amount up here. So chances, what we said, our theory or whatever we say is that it's the pop out. You can call it faker on the higher frames or whatever. If it is not enough pop, yeah, then the pullback should be deep, yeah. So you need to keep that in mind and have a look, and basically just think of it as 1, 2, 3, area of this X move here, and see where it stops, and then you can look to do. But you should be thinking of a deeper pullback, wash and rinse kind of idea, yeah. Okay, CHF JP. F2 needs to hold, put your line in the middle, but it's only 20 pips, guys. And if you take it from the middle here, you only got 10 pips. Better. I'm sure we can do something better, yeah? Okay. VIX is still not as what you say, for something that is a bloody volatility index, is bloody thing doesn't have any volatility at the moment, yeah? Because normally it moves, and it moves quite nicely. Just once it starts to move nice, we will be trading it like clockwork, like tick tock in and out, yeah. Mexico. What is Mexico doing? Nothing much. MOB and stuck. Euro CHF. Okay, we are at C1. Draw the line in the middle. If it doesn't break that, then you can do something. Okay, we are in the middle line here. Then the C1. Need to, if you are aggressive, you can keep this idea, keep this line here, and go for the MOB. We know where the LOC is, yeah. Okay. Okay, so no, you haven't got all the levels in case, yeah. Okay. NZD JP. No, asleep. Sleepy heads. US dollar index, we know 93 is important. Touch 92, 90 area, and we're stuck. We need to wait a bit. Let's see how the Americans wake up, yeah? Copper, Dr. Copper, what are we doing? Dr. Copper is coming down. It's below the F2, yeah? And remember, we talked about the floor traders, and they call it Dr. Copper, and it basically signals a change in trade in S&P, yeah, kind of thing. So if this starts to take the momentum downwards, then we are looking for S&P. This signals is first, yeah, and then the floor traders are using it as a thermometer in the S&P, yeah. So you need to watch that, yeah. Okay, platinum. Okay, no one trades it anywhere, but down trade, pop up, and this guy's looking at higher lows, and the buy, and is coming down. Nishan buy is coming down. It's trickling down. It's trickling down. Yeah, it's trickling down. Nat gas. Okay. Nah, it's just sideways though. Been down, been up, and just that. Oil actually is flowing much faster than this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Oil is flowing much faster than this one, yeah? Because we are at nat gas, so if we just quickly look at the oil, see Nishant bhai, oil is
right.
Yeah, like anything. I mean, we lost like $1 from 66 to here. We lost $1 already, yeah?
No, it's a double bottom buy on, I think, H1, H4. Just see H4 once.
H4, yeah.
Oh no, just see daily, little more. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So I was just looking at the speed of the thing, yeah.
Correct.
The speed. I'm just saying the nat gas is not going as speed. Yeah, this oil has got speed, now.
Yeah.
And we can say like on the smaller flame, now, that it's basically lost like $1, not dumph, kind of thing. So it's got 100-point move in that.
Correct.
But it will give a pullback. It will give you at least, it will give you a decent contra trade, Nishant bhai.
Yeah.
Because it lost if it's lost say 100, 120, for example, it will at least give you 30 or 40 points. Nishant bhai.
Exactly, bhai. Yeah.
Better than that currency trader is giving you 10 pips. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's better to take the Monster oil than take a Monster headache, with the other one. Okay, so we were on dollar index, Mexican, copper, nat gas. Okay, soybeans. What are we doing? Oh, nice number, 1333, Nishant bhai.
Yeah.
1333, and okay. So in here, what we can think of it is as, say, we just draw like a line, yeah, a square, yeah, a graph, and we got our what you call this trend line, yeah. So when we did the trend lines in that, and say you got another line around here, and say another line around here. So this line we can say is like a 45-degree angle, yeah. This we can say is maybe like around 30-degree angle. This one is like I don't know, say 16-degree angle or whatever, yeah. So which is a stable trend? 45-degree, true, yeah. It's a symmetry now. It's a symmetry. This one 66 and over angle is, you can say, is a parabolic. Parabolics always come down, yeah. Retrace at least 50 now. And what you can do is they say, where is my target? Where is my target? So all you do is basically this move from here to here. If you do it the Gann way, you do 33, 66, 99. Yeah, if you're going to use numbers, you can use those lines, yeah? As pullback idea, yeah? As pullback idea. Got that? Everyone? No? Whatever? Oh, we looked at Nightcast already. It's moved. Okay. Okay, coffee gap down. Nishant bhai.
Yeah.
We've been to 172, huh? So
right.
we took the trade at, I think, 19250, yeah?
Right.
And we can just say 17250, we say, yeah?
Right.
So it's a $20 move, yeah?
Yeah.
If you are happy, they can take a little bit off or lock something, at least can do something, yeah? Can do something, yeah? At least break even, yeah? You can't go wrong with break even, yeah? But coffee, if they were on a future contract, Nishant bhai, that is a $20,000 move.
Oh.
It's not a joke, yeah? It's not a joke. Yeah. It's not a joke, nah? So the only reason I'm mentioning money is so they don't think, oh, it's only going 20. I want it to go down 200, yeah? Correct. 200 is, you just add the bloody zeros, for one trade, you got to be mad in a way, yeah?
Right.
Or you must be prepared to wait like the mango tree when it gives you fruit, yeah?
Yeah.
But better like this one, then no 19250, take a little bit off or take it off. Then when it comes up a little bit, enter in again, and then, keep on scalping it away, yeah? On the downside, yeah? Don't buy it, basically, because we are mini swing short, yeah? Okay. What is Bitcoin doing? I was laughing, Haji Attila and we were talking once. I don't know if you were Nishant Bhai. I think Bipin Bhai was there maybe. And we were talking Bitcoin, and he says, Haji, I said, what is it, Haji? He said, you don't call it Bitcoin, you call it Buttcoin. I said, oh. And then he said, I said, there's quite a lot of coins. He said, yes. There's another ones which are very famous. They're called shit coins, I said, oh my God. I said, Attila, you joking, and I'll try to have a conversation here with you. We are swing short in Bitcoin, yeah? I'm going to hold it, yeah? And we are swing short in Ethereum as well, yeah? Where's Litecoin? Okay, they're all in the same direction. Oh, did we give everyone the all levels? Maybe not. Okay, there we are, yeah? Litecoin, all the levels as well. I don't know how many here do trade cryptos or not. I have no idea. Yeah, I have no idea. Somebody left. Okay. Okay, Ahmad was there. Okay. Yeah, boss lady and everyone. Like I've said, you got the YouTube, our YouTube channel link and everything, and all the past and previous ones that you have seen, and all lot of things. But we want you not only to make a comment here, we want you all to make daily, as you see it or whatever, make a comment, an honest one, on the YouTube channel. Okay, under the video now. So okay, yeah, Kroner, no one trades it, but it's up. Euler, okay, we done the Euler anyway. Okay, yeah, you need this, yeah, you need this, yeah. Okay, here you are, guys. Look, this is you can write it, yeah. This is SP 500, or we call it SPX, which is cash US 30 daily levels. Okay, 9th of August 21. Yeah, okay, so those are the daily levels for this one. So we wait and see. Okay, so what is next? Whether I trade it or not doesn't matter. I always look at Indian rupee. Okay, 74 or whatever. Netherlands. Okay, Amsterdam has done like a diagonal pop. Wait and see what happens there. Okay. Simba is barking away like crazy, huh?
Yeah.
He's right at the other end of the garden, Nishant Bhai.
Okay.
And like you feel like he's just by my window here. This got a very loud voice. Turkish lira can look to sell a little bit. Hong Kong Shanghai Index, Hong Kong FUI. Look at the pop. Till C2 and now here. So we missed because not many do trade it, yeah. So, and these move like crazy as well, yeah. So if your account can't hold it or your nerves, then only watch it for fun, yeah. Watch it for financial entertainment, okay. New Zealand CAD rolling over, needs F1 to hold. You get the letter N pattern or breakdown of it. Nikkei, what are we doing? Hong Kong Shanghai was crazy up. Nikkei is not much moving on it, okay. But these are killer ones, What is USD ZAR doing? Flagger as well. Okay. Yeah. Flag and nothing happening. Sorry guys, no live trade at the moment today, guys. Maybe what we will do is in the American session, if things are moving hard and fast and whatever, then we will do a small session again in the afternoon. Is that okay with you guys or not? Yeah, shout away. Yeah, okay, perfect, Reza. Perfect, we'll do it, yeah. And to be honest with you, those who are in Discord and they come, they're welcome. From Prabha, they're welcome, but it's free country, There's no compulsion or pressure. The only pressure is you don't put a comment, persona non grata. Going to get your guts for garters, as they say in English, Okay. This is we had Faber-Castell yesterday for Eric, yeah? The new Templar.
Yeah.
He is in Singapore. This is Singapore Straits, yeah? Singapore.
Okay.
This is Singapore, yeah? Welcher asked what is the Singapore market walking the lines? So quickly I picked out the chart, yeah?
Okay.
So that is the only reason why this one is here. So, okay. So nothing to do here as yet, yeah. So any quick questions or anything or whatever, and then we can call the morning session kaput, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So Nishant bhai, if you can do me a favor now, if you can give them in private and in comment our Discord link, yeah, and also the YouTube link as well, just in case in both of them. So then they can't say, "Oh, I don't know you had a YouTube channel," yeah, because then it's tubeless, yeah. Okay. Like we say, if you come in Discord, if you stay quiet, if you don't talk, then Mr. Nishant Bhai and Jack Bhai will chop your kneecaps off. You'll be wondering, where did my legs go? My mouth wasn't talking, but I got no legs now. Mr. Nishant Bhai and Jack Bhai will chop your kneecaps off. Yep. You'll be wondering, where did my legs go? My mouth wasn't talking, but I got no legs now. Was that lag, Nishant Bhai, or echo?
No, I think it was echo by.
Wow. Okay, well, anyway, the machine knows as well. He's telling them twice. Telling them twice. Guys, be very careful. Nishant Bhai has got this machine. He's going to chop them off twice, yeah? You will need a microscope to see, where your 2 eggs and your carrots gone, Okay. Oh, God. Okay, so any questions, anybody? Or we can call it morning, yeah? Today, in the morning, you might have felt that I'm rushing you, yeah? Well, I am in a little bit, but while we went through everything, we didn't cut any corners, and we tried to do little bits in between as well. But basically, what we want to see is that what happens in the American, and I'm waiting for the hospital to ring, yeah? So I want to make sure that I'm ready for the phone when they ring, yeah, in case they ring a bit early. They said they're going to ring at 10:30. You never know, they might just ring at 10 o'clock, yeah? Okay, so guys, any final question before I pull the plug? And with the YouTube will be in the YouTube channel near enough instantly, yeah? So once, say like within half an hour or 45 minutes, I want to see everyone have made an honest comment there, okay? And all the ones who came yesterday, you came from Telegram or wherever other, I want to see each and every one send a detailed feedback for Nishant Bhai and Tijan as well, okay? If I don't get that, like I told you, I remember all the names. Okay, guys, so shall I say goodbye to everybody? Yes? Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and kaput, gone. End broadcast.